Come in. Ang backyard namin guys, grabe green na green yung grass. Hi! Hello, good morning! Welcome to Mario Lesson and welcome back to Australia ulit. And yes, uuwi na po kami sa bahay. Welcome home po tayo ulit. And mag-check out na po kami dito sa cabin. Nag-stay lang po talaga kami dito ng another day dahil gusto ni Dave mag-relax po ako dahil sobrang pagod po talaga ng katawan ko kahapon. Pero ngayon po ay uuwi na po talaga kami para i-greet ko po ang aming mga manok at tanim. And good morning, Sylvester! How are you?
Good.
Alam niyo guys, nag-request po talaga siya na matulog ako kagabi sa kanyang bed, sa bunk bed, sa itaas siya, sa ibaba ako. Isn't it, Sylvester?
Yeah.
Mami sleep next to you dahil nagpa-baby siya. How are you? Are you
Good.
happy?
Yeah.
Did you sleep alright last night?
Yes, Mommy.
Yes, and today we're going home. Good morning, honeybee.
Good morning.
So sweet. So today we're going back home. I'm so excited and to see our garden, honey, how it's going after I left for 2 months.
It's
I have
growing.
no idea what does it look like now. So parang ma-surprise ako ata. Is it growing?
Yeah, it's growing.
How's the watermelon? Alam you guys, meron kaming tanim watermelon. When I left, ganito lang talaga kaliit yung prutas. So, makikita po natin after 2 months.
Getting
It's-
bigger.
Is it?
Mom,
Yeah.
a bit bigger.
Come here, Sylvester. What is it, Sylvester? How's your garden?
How long?
So, you also have watermelon?
Big.
Oh, mayroon daw siyang
And
watermelon
longer
din.
than daddy's.
Oh my God. So, you also have a fruit in your watermelon?
Yeah, they're growing a bit bigger.
Wow. I'm so excited to see. And how's the chooks?
Good.
Good. They're still laying eggs?
Yes.
Yes. So, everybody excited. Ang dami palang pananim din ni Sylvester. Nagtanim din pala siya ng watermelon. Let's find out.
Yes.
Who's the biggest watermelon? Good morning. Kopi muna tayo sa umaga. Ang ganda po ng panahon. Tingnan niyo po yung caravan dito. Ang daming caravan. Actually, ang lugar na ito, it's really remind me. Yung buhay namin dati guys, napa-park lang po sa caravan park. Napaka-peaceful po talaga dito early in the morning. Kaya kopi po muna tayo. Hello, good morning. Mag-kopi po muna tayo. At least nakapag-kopi ulit tayo ng coffee po na hindi masyadong matamis. Instant coffee lang kasi ako. So yung gamit po namin is nandito na po sa sasakyan. Ready na talaga. Prefer na actually na excited na po ako. Uwi sa bahay, iba lang talaga yung feelings na feel at home po kayo. So mag-coffee po muna kami and gusto ni Deb, maglalakad muna kami somewhere in the mountain, honey?
Kind of.
Ah, yeah. May bush walking. Kasi si Dave mahilig talaga sa mga bush walking. So, kung saan po kami, nandito kami sa parang, tingnan nyo po dyan, mountain po dyan. And yung araw talaga, matagal lumalabas dito. Kaya, nakakamiss po ang gantong peaceful life. Alam nyo po, napapansin ko po, every time pag nagbakasyon po ako sa Pilipinas, ang saya po talaga makasama ang pamilya ko. Ang iba yung happiness at saya pag kabanding mo po yung pamilya mo. Pero at the same time, pag lalong tumatagal, mamimiss nyo rin pala ang gantong buhay. Yung peaceful po, grabe yung peaceful, yung ibon lang po ang naririnig nyo. Good morning, honeybee! Ang pugi, you look so handsome, honey. Ayan po. Sylvester, you having breakfast today?
Yeah.
With Bix?
Yeah.
Are you looking for honey?
Yeah.
Okay, I think the honey is in the inside of the bag. Over here, darling. Gusto niya nang mag-breakfast bago po kami aalis. Go. It's in there. Over here. Yeah. May mga dala kasing pagkain yung asawa ko nung pagdating nila dito. Kasi alam niyo naman, pag may anak kayo, laging nagugutom. It's inside. Is it under there? You found it?
Yeah.
Okay. Just leave it there. I will put it back. Don't worry. So, you're making your own breakfast. Ayan, independent na po siya. Nag-start na po siya pag independent. Okay, bring it here. Just leave the things there. I'll fix it. Nag-start na po siya pagiging independent. He's making his own breakfast. So normally may mga berries po yung wheat bix niya. So ngayon, ito lang yung prutas na gusto niyang i-mix. Wow, not too much of honey. It will be sweet.
I want enough honey.
Okay, then add milk na, darling. I guess he knows what to do.
You can have a
You're
pen.
so independent now. I'm so proud of you. You know how to make your own breakfast now? Okay, that's good.
Look how
You're doing all right. Here we go. You gotta wash first before we eat. Just pull that one. Yeah, that's it. Sabi ko sa kanya kanina, would you like me to make your own breakfast? No, mommy. I'm big now. Okay, that one, darling. Just wash it. Just turn on the top.
You gotta have
Ayaw niya na ako yung gumawa ng breakfast. Knife? It's in the drawer, darling. Over here. There. Over there. Are you right? Do you need a cutting board?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's wood. It's plastic. It's not metal.
Is it plastic? Nako, na-obsess na to siya kasama ni Dave.
It's wood. It's
Well, as long as you don't cut the plastic, it's fine.
we don't cut it.
Yeah, no, don't cut with the plastic. Alam niya kasi yung mga microplastic na hindi maganda sa ating health. There we go. That's it. Good job. Ang galing mo na, ha? Ha?
Finish.
Okay. You can have breakfast with Daddy. There we go. Show me your breakfast. Whoa, looks good. Let's go. You going eat with Daddy? Gusto mag-breakfast with Dad. There we go. Go, darling. If Daddy is on the other side. Look, Sylvester, honey. Sylvester made his own breakfast. He's a big boy now.
Breakfast right?
Huh?
Would you like some breakfast right?
Would you like... Ay, nag-offer pa siya. No, darling. I'm okay, thank you. Mommy and Daddy having coffee. Is it good? It sounds very delicious. Don't you know I saw Maggie before? They probably flew away already. May ibon kasi dito. Yung mga ibon dito is very friendly. How's your breakfast, darling?
I'm here to send our cockatoo.
Cockatoo?
Yeah,
The bird.
in the car, not loud.
Well, they're pretty noisy this morning, but at the moment, ayan po guys, tingnan niyo po. Nandito po tayo sa may mountain. So where we are, honey, this caravan park in Adelaide?
Brown Hill Creek Caravan.
Brown Hill Creek Caravan Park.
Yeah, we're only 8 kilometres from the city.
When I'm finished, can we go to the park?
When you're finished, okay. So the time it's only 9. So 10 a.m. po yung check out namin. Honey, can I please see your eyes?
Yeah.
My goodness, Bio.
What
Look at
happened?
the color of your eyes.
No,
What
this
happened?
is so weird.
It's so blue.
Is it?
How about Sylvester's eyes? Color's eyes. Look at me there. I think you got mommy's eye.
Yeah, it's the same like yours.
Yeah. But you look so handsome.
Yeah.
He's looking to his daddy.
Okay.
Okay, just finish that one, darling. Look.
Leaf blower.
Come on, get out there.
What
It's,
is it?
I think it's dusty. Over here, darling.
Man.
Come, darling. Go move there inside. There.
Many people walking along the walking
Ganun po sila dito maglinis. Blowing lang. Hi, darling. It's dusty outside. Let's go! Check out na po kami. Check out na tayo. Late na po tayo sa check out. Oops, be careful. Put that in the back, Sylvester, of the car. Watch out for cars. Give it to me, darling. Go get in the car now. Give me your bag. Daming gamit, ha. Parang mas madami pa kayong gamit kaysa sa akin. Alright, let's drive. Let's go, honeybee.
And I got for a point of wood.
You did. Nanalo daw siya kagabi.
Dinosaur!
Honeybee, let's drive. You got the key?
I got the keys.
So where are we going first? Gusto niyang pumunta sa mountain bago uwi. Ang dami naman to. Shopping naman yung isa. So, you need a map, Daddy?
Yeah, I don't know where we're going.
Well, we have to search.
Big W.
Well, at the moment, there's no signal here. We might have to drive
Oh, yeah.
first
I'll drive to the signal.
to the signal. Yeah. Dito kasi tayo sa mountain. Kailangan namin ng signal bago mag-ano sa mapa. Yeah, that's the one you won last night. Nanalo po siya sa games.
Champion, I got it.
You're so good.
I'm not good of hunting for fluffy because they're too soft.
Nalapit na tayo.
It's easier.
Yes. Nako, napakadaming story itong isa. Ito yung the best sasakyan ni Deb ever since nagkaroon kami ng bagong sasakyan. Thanks to Deb parents. Dahil you saved David's life. Yung making a noise pag malapit na po yung sa likod. Kasi medyo maano si David pag sa likod hindi niya masyadong makita. It keep making a noise. There we go. Yoo-hoo! Let's drive around.
Let's go to Big Dairy first.
Ang gusto magpabili. Siyempre, bibilihin kita. Tika muna, punta muna tayo sa bushwalking, sabi ni Dad. On the way po ito pag pauwi po namin sa bahay. Whoa! My goodness mio!
Speed bump.
Daddy, you should drive slowly. Ang dami ditong caravan. So, cabin po ang tawag yan. Yung pinag-istihan po namin. Whew! Whew! Grabe. Honey, have a look up there.
What is
What's
it?
that? A house?
Yeah, the houses up there.
It's a mansion.
Yeah,
It's crazy. It's so big.
yeah,
Would you like to live there?
yeah.
At the
it'll
top of the mountain.
be nice.
Nandun kasi talaga sa itaas.
We get to the bottom.
That's a question. How do we get there? It's not important.
How
It's
do we get
Yeah,
from
to
the
the
top.
bottom?
There's a road up there somewhere.
Let's go, let's go. Ang daming investigation.
To the cabin.
Yeah, I know.
That's the walking path there.
Is it?
Yeah. I think it goes up the mountain.
Grabe dito, surrounding talaga na napakadaming puno. Oops.
I thought we were going fishing
We're going fishing, of course.
because I got a fishing rod.
Okay, magpe-fishing din tayo. Ang daming plano tong isa. On the way na po tayo pa uwi. So bago po kami uuwi, may mga dadaanan po muna tayong mga gagandang lookout dahil gusto ni Dave gawin po namin yan, tatlo as a family. So maganda ang araw ngayon, hindi malamig, hindi rin mainit. Perfect.
Fine.
Yeah. Tingnan niyo po dito kung gaano windy yung daanan, pero
In 300
napakaganda.
meters, turn left onto James Road.
Napakaganda yung view talaga dito. Kung saan po kami nagstay, it's down there. Kaya nga pala walang signal. So, ito yung view dito.
You go up and
Bel Air National Park.
Yeah, nag-drive kami dito kagabi. I'm quite scared kasi sobrang po.
Turn left onto James Road, B28.
Turn left.
Continue on B28 for 2
Here's
kilometers.
the houses.
Yeah,
houses, yeah.
it's in the top.
Yeah, that's the house.
Hi guys! Nandito na po kami. Naglalakad-lakad. May nakita kami ditong tent po na kahoy. Sylvester! May nagka-camping na. You like it?
Yes, I want to have a fire now.
You wanna have a fire? My goodness mio. We're not allowed. Baka masunog natin itong bush. So, nandito po kami, naglalakad lang. I think they're collecting all this wood, honey, for what?
Like a bush shelter.
Bush.
Survival.
Survival.
Survival shelter.
Yeah. There's another one there, darling. Yan ang gusto niya. Yeah, they're collecting all the woods that's fall down from the tree. Be careful, ha? Are you wanna do that as well? Na-inspired na po siya. Sylvester would like to do that also. Punta muna kami sa supermarket.
Bunny.
Sir Bunny, ay oo. Sir na pala.
See it when we go in.
Mhm. Bibili lang po kami ng pagkain. And dinner na din guys dahil paggabi na po. Paggabi na. Bibili tayo ng lechon manok. Tsaka stock up din ng pagkain. Rice, honey. Do I have a rice? Sylvester, be
Yeah,
careful. Grapes.
All of cheese.
Yeah. Season po ngayon ng grapes kaya maganda. Very fresh.
Cheese.
Yung supermarket. So maghahanap tayo. What else? We have apple, honey?
Yeah, we have some.
May stock up na pala ng apple. So, nandito tayo sa supermarket. Green mango, guys. $3 ang isa. 120 pesos.
Mommy,
Hindi ko alam kung it's a bit sour, but anyway.
Nice.
Yung galing ka sa Pilipinas, bibili ka pa rin ito. Blackberries. Would you like some blackberries, honey?
$4 tape the same like the
Let's get
grapes.
to blackberries.
Yeah, they're the same.
Yung ano lang, kakainin lang namin ngayon. Bukas na po kami mag-stock up talaga. Yung todong-todo. Wait, darling. No. Stop it. Don't grab anything. Wait, what's the difference with that, with this?
I've never tried the other one.
Would you like to try this one?
Never tried.
Would-
What is it? Can you read what it says?
Maybe this one.
Okay.
$1 lang yung difference. Hindi ko alam kung yung lasa, kung may pinagkaiba. Oh, bili tayo ng prawn, tsaka salmon. Ay, yung galing lang sa Siargao. Seafood agad. Ito po yung salmon, seafood. There we go. Prawn. Yung maganda sa kanila yung prawn ay luto na po. Ito na po ang ating isda. Wow, $33 din. Tapos ito yung prawn po. $13. Tara. Let's go, honey.
No, wait, it is not the back way you go in.
Yeah, let's have some bread, honey. Wait, don't run. Shh.
Chocolate Easter bunny, not these.
Not that one.
Chocolate Easter
Let's go to the bread section. The small one only, darling. That's pretty big. Are they all the same?
I'll forget this.
Just one. Easter bunny na pala. Ano na, what do you call that? Easter? Easter na pala. Perfect na. So, bibili tayo. Only one. Not the big one. This is so sweet. Shh, hindi man ako mahilig sa sweet. Let's have a bread, honey. You know that bread for Easter? Let's go. Honey, eggs. How much the eggs? Pre-range. $6.20, honey.
$6.20, yeah.
Oh, mahal pala sila. So, ito
The
yung...
small ones, isn't it?
Tingnan natin yung size. Oh, that is a small one. Yung eggs namin ay malalaki. Hindi na tayo bibili ng eggs. Ito yung hinahanap ko na bread. Traditional mini fruit. Which one, honey?
I'll have a look.
Mag-check out na tayo.
Hey, the chocolate
Ay,
one.
chocolate one maybe. Or two different. Chocolate and the brown one.
This one too.
Okay. So, pag Easter, bumibili kami nito. Tradisyon. Rock, Sylvester? Sa wakas, malapit na po kami. Actually, bago po tayo makapunta sa bahay, may dadaanan po kaming fruit shop. Ganito po talaga ang mamimiss mo po sa Australia, yung mga fruit shop po. It's everywhere, yung sa mga daanan lang. So, meron po ditong tindahan na malapit lang po sa amin. So, actually, yung bahay namin, it's about mga 5 minutes. 5 minutes sa drive na lang. Hi, Sylvester! Hi! Grabe! Kahit tagal kong nawala, na-miss ko talaga ang bahay. So, yung una kong titingnan, yung bahay talaga kung malinis. Honey, is the house clean?
Yeah, that's right.
Nilinis talaga ni Deb kasi sabi ko, baka ako na naman yung ma-surprise. Malapit na po talaga sa aming bahay. Ito po yung mga sign. Marami pong farm sa amin na area. Malalaking shed. Ito oh, kahuyan man to. That's where we bought our
Yeah, that's
Post.
right. Treated wood.
treated wood. Diyan kami bumili. Oh, haligi.
Scooter.
What we gonna buy, honey?
There's watermelons and rock melons and pumpkins.
Depende kasi sa season. Depende rin po kasi sa season kung anong meron lang. Yan lang din po yung binebenta nila. Ha?
See the display?
Yeah. There we go. Nandito na po tayo sa fruit shop. Watermelon, butternut, jack, pumpkin. Ito po. There we go. Ang lalaki ng watermelon. Season pa lang ngayon ng watermelon. There's a big one, Sylvester, for $10.
May have that one.
The big one. I can't even lift. Sila yung may-ari ng watermelon. Hello, Doggy.
What is the phone number? Is it?
He want to lick you. Hello. Napaka-friendly naman ng aso nito. Sila yung may-ari ng farm. You like to have a dog?
Yeah. I want the
Come on, Sylvester, let's buy watermelon. Which one?
biggest one.
The biggest one?
That one.
Look, Sylvester, there's a prime mantis. Look.
$12.
Sylvester, what do you got?
This is enormous.
Okay, put it
$10.
back there in the tray, darling. Just here. Yeah, just there.
Where's the dog?
Maybe just the small one. No, not the big one.
The $3 one.
Gusto? Sylvester, no.
So you're gonna hold your back. You're gonna-
No, my goodness, honey, get it
you
for
hold
him.
your
For
back.
mom.
That weighs about 12 kilos at least.
Can we have it?
Just the small one as well,
Can we have
Sylvester.
this one?
See the one that's
Okay, get the big one.
I want
$10.
the chooks are gonna
The chooks.
watermelon soup.
Yeah, the chook's gonna have my pasalubong. I can get that one, $10. And what else? Pumpkin? Or what else? That one.
maybe one pumpkin.
One pumpkin, honey.
Can I
And get
put-
one rock melon.
Can I put
Get one rock melon. There.
that's
There's a
enormous.
Sylvester.
Look, this
That's enormous. And pumpkin, darling. Pumpkin.
one.
How much
Get
altogether,
this
honey?
I'll calculate.
Can you get this one? It's cold.
What is this?
Coconut.
That'll be $15.
He said coconut.
Have the right change.
$15. Just grab another one, so $20.
We might have.
Do you get
So?
pumpkin?
10, 15, and another one, $5. Para 20, hindi na tayo mag-change.
Biggest one. How the hell does it?
Ang sakit na sa likod, ang laki.
I couldn't get one.
$5. Watermelon season, may sarili din kaming tanim, pero ang sarap pong bilhan ang mga lokal, napakamura lang po nila. Where we should put the money? Here.
Honestly,
Alright, Sylvester, here's the honesty box. Look. Put the money. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, done. Good job. Come on, bring it. That's $2.50, and that's $2.50.
Let's give it to the school. I can carry it too.
I will carry the pumpkin.
I can leave the watermelon, the biggest watermelon.
That's good. Yeah! Nakikita ko na ang bahay. Welcome home, Mario Lassie.
welcome home, honey bee.
Yeah! Welcome home. Oh, God. Grabe, this is it. Ito na ang aming bahay, guys. Kauwi na talaga ako. Tingnan niyo po yung mga puno. Green na green.
Welcome home.
Welcome home daw. Thank you, Sylvester. So guys, nandito na talaga tayo. Nakauwi na. Dito po tayo sa likod dadaan. Yeah, dito po tayo sa likod dadaan. Tingnan niyo po guys, itong puno na ito. Napaka-healthy. Actually, lahat nagkulay green. Sabi kasi ni Deb recently, panay ulan sa amin. When I left, may pagka-yellow po ito. Kahit ito po, ang dami kong napansin ha. Medyo na green-green na yung mga ano namin, pananim. Ito yung mga halaman. Kasi pag left ko, pag alis ko talaga, medyo yellow po yan.
One has so many at the back.
Yeah. What is it, Sylvester? May gustong may pakita. Is this the biggest one? Nag-green din.
You can go in.
Alam niyo po, pag winter ito, lahat mag-turning yellow at napakaganda. Let's get in the house, Sylvester.
There's lots of plants over there.
I know. Ang dami niyang gustong ipakita kang mami. Get inside dahil na-miss na ni mami ang ating home. How's the house, Sylvester? Is it clean?
Yes.
Are you sure? I guess. Let's find out. Welcome! Welcome ulit guys. Pasok po kayo. It's been a long time. Grabe. This is it na talaga. Come in. Ay, yung ano namin, yung couch, nilabhan pala ni Dave. So, yung mga plants, maganda pa rin. Yung backyard namin guys, grabe green na green yung grass. Honey, the grass is really green. Really green. Probably need to mowing. Did you been cleaning the gutter?
I tried, but I ended up too scared to climb.
Come on, Sylvester. Pasok tayo sa bahay. Grabe, nakakapagod po yung biyahe. At ako'y nagutom na po talaga. So yung mga pananim, it looks good. As usual, healthy pa rin po sila. And pasok po tayo dito sa bahay. It's not messy? Baka ma-surprise yung ano natin, viewers. Wow! It's nice to feel home again. Let's turn on the light. Wow! Parang never tong ginamit ni Dave yung lamesa. It looks so clean. So, ito yung upuan. Wow! Welcome po sa mansion po namin. Grabe maka-mansion. So, ito po yung ano namin, dining area. So, dito po tayo sa kusina. And ito po yung ano namin, toilet, laundry. And good job, honey. The house is really clean. Ito na yung, ito na ang aming living room. Feel na feel ko po dito mag-relax. Ang sarap mag-relax. Napakalaki ng space. Yung mga kapatid ko na susunod na kayo dito. Hi! So at least guys, wala po silang kanat. Prepare po talaga si Deb sa pagdating ko. Hindi sila nagkalat. Ang ganda naman sa feelings ang pag-uwi ko. Kahit dito po. Thank you, honey. Nagdadala na po ng mga gamit yung asawa ko. Dito po, grabe, ang linis. Handa. Kasi the last time, dinala ni Deb yung mga manok dito. Napakadaming pupu ng mga manok. So at least ngayon, malinis na po. May mga bagong tanim si Deb dito, honey. You have a new? May mga bagong tanim na pala yung asawa ko dito. Tingnan nyo guys. Prepare na talaga pa winter. And ito po ang veranda. Yes, you got the new shoes? Yeah.
The matches.
Yung barbecue probably never nagamit. So yung mga fern, medyo na ano, Medyo siya lumiit kaunti, pero okay pa rin po. So, actually, I'm very, very hungry and the time is mag 5 p.m. na, pero hindi pa masyadong halata. So, bukas po, continue po ang pagbabalik ni Maria Lassen sa Australia. Dito po magtatapos ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Ako'y mag-relax po muna talaga. Hindi ko pa nga na-check ang aming manok, ang aming pananim. Kakain po muna ako. Sylvester C. Thanks for watching. Come here. Thanks for watching. Bye! See you tomorrow, guys. At itor ko po kayo sa pananim, tsaka sa manok. As now, I need rest po talaga. Grabe ang pagod. 4 hours po yung biyahe namin. Kaya, goodbye! Guys, gutom na talaga. Sobra na yung gutom. Ito po yung prawn na binili ko po. Ang maganda po dito yung prawn ay sobrang laki po talaga. Yan po siya kalaki. Habalo. Automatic na po ito kakainin. Nagugas na po ako ng kamay. Would you like some prawn, darling? Kukuha ako ng rice.
They're cooked.
Hmm?
They're cooked.
It's already cooked. Akala niya hindi luto. I will show you so you will believe me. There we go, guys. Tingnan niyo po. Mataba po siya. Hey.
I'm gonna get one.
Is your hand clean?
Yes, I did.
You wash your hand?
Yes, I can open them.
Mm.
Yeah, let's get the chili.
Let's eat, honey. That's it.